With origins in the aerospace design industry, Bluebeam Review was initially developed with the technical professional in mind. And while Review's robust functionality can be deployed across a variety of industries, we haven't forgotten our roots in the design space. Bluebeam Review continues to innovate with features that expedite and simplify the day-to-day work of our customers in the architecture, engineering, and construction, or AEC, industry. In the AEC industry, access to current information is key to minimizing risk and maximizing profit. This video will focus on the features within Review that are tailored to enhance the workflows of AEC professionals and will help you sell Bluebeam Review to new and existing customers in this industry. One thing that your AEC customers will immediately notice is the ease with which they are able to navigate documents within Review. Review's intelligent navigation immediately recognizes the size of your documents and applies the most logical navigation style for that document type. As you can see, Review defaults to standard vertical navigation with 8.5 by 11 documents. But when it comes to large format documents, Review allows you to click and drag around the document and easily zoom in and out with the scroll wheel on your mouse. This is much faster than having to constantly click the pan and zoom symbols to navigate, as is required in other PDF software. Review also allows the user to view their documents in separate tabs, giving them access to their PDFs with a quick click. For this reason, we built multi-view technology that allows your customers to split the screen up to 16 times and view multiple PDFs at once. They can even open a web browser right from within Review. Viewing an 8.5 by 11 document, a large format document, and a web page at the same time can be done easily. The Sync feature provides extra value to customers who work with multiple documents simultaneously. When turned on, Sync automatically tracks where you're looking in one document and matches that view in the other document, which eliminates the need to manually adjust the view on each document. Comparing two different versions of the same document is a common workflow in the AEC industry. Features such as Sync significantly speed up this process, but comparing different versions of the same document is made even easier with Review's document comparison feature. This is a real wow feature that will sell seats of Review itself due to the massive time savings users will experience with this tool. With document comparison, your customers can find changes between 2 or more drawing revisions in seconds. And because Review compares the documents on a pixel-by-pixel basis, even the smallest differences will be clouded automatically. Review also comes with an alternate way to compare documents that simulates the classic light table your customers may be familiar with. Overlay Pages allows customers to place documents on top of each other as separate layers in order to immediately see the differences between each document. As you can see, the original document is in red, and the revision document is in green. All of the black lines indicate where the documents are identical. AEC customers can compare different revisions of the same drawing, as shown here, or overlay an architectural plan with an electrical plan and a mechanical plan to get the big picture of what a space will actually look like. Speaking of layers, many architects and engineers are accustomed to drafting programs that allow them to draw on a specific layer and then isolate those comments as needed. Review allows customers to select any markups, assign them to a layer, and turn that layer on and off easily so as not to congest a PDF with too much information. Layers are especially helpful for estimators who will often make multiple measurements of the same area, but one measurement might be for a specification like the carpet, while the second might be for the padding beneath the carpet. In the AEC industry, most companies have to issue a cost or bid to win a project, and they typically have to use expensive estimation software to do this. Review, however, comes with a variety of measurement tools that will help your customers estimate costs for a fraction of the price of other software. With Review, your customers can calibrate scale, calculate square footage, set counts to various items in design documents, and more. Once they've made their measurements and set their counts, customers can then use the markups list to calculate material costs easily. Bluebeam Review's tool chest lets your customers save custom markups for easy, one-click access, which eliminates redundant work. Every markup made when annotating a PDF in Review is stored in the Recent Tools section of the tool chest. These markups clear out at the end of each session, but users can easily save markups by clicking and dragging them into another toolset, giving your customers complete customization abilities. And if your customers are working on a design team with colleagues who would benefit from using the same toolset, custom toolsets can easily be exported right from within Review. Review's markups list will keep track of every single annotation that is placed on a PDF, along with the data contained within those markups. Earlier, we used the example of using the markups list for material cost estimation. This is done by creating custom columns that calculate materials costs and subtotals instantly, as you can see here. Information in the markups list can be filtered, sorted, and exported to CSV, allowing your customers to quickly and easily import their measurements into Excel for use in their existing bid sheets. And for design reviews or punch walks, your customers can easily create a custom column to assign tasks to project members, sort those tasks by member name, and export them in a PDF list that's automatically appended to the document with hyperlinks to the original markups. This means that your customers don't need to hunt for their action items and can see who is responsible for each task at a glance. And yes, if this document is opened by someone using any other PDF software, these hyperlinks will remain fully functional. People in the AEC industry have no shortage of pages sent to them on a regular basis. Often these pages are for the same project, but when they come from different sources, the pages can have any number of naming conventions. Manually changing these page labels to indicate their specific project can be an extremely time-consuming process, especially if we're talking about thousands of project files. With Review's AutoMark feature, this previously painful process can be completely eliminated, and page labels can be renamed in seconds. Linking these references individually saves tons of paper and keeps all of the necessary information in one place. However, linking references individually can take hours or sometimes days depending on the amount of project details that must be linked. Review's batch link feature eliminates the need to individually link references on large documents or document sets and can be done in a matter of seconds. So whether your customer has multiple project documents or a single multi-page file with a variety of different project details, they can quickly create hyperlinks to navigate the document set easily. While most PDF software allows users to search for specific words within PDF documents, Review includes more powerful search functionality specifically designed with the AEC industry in mind. Enter Visual Search. Visual Search allows your customers to locate specific details quickly within a document or entire document folder. Once located, these visual details can be hyperlinked to a project detail, be highlighted for easy reference, have account applied for estimating purposes, and more. Visual Search is just one of the many features that sets Bluebeam Review apart from any other PDF software, and allows our AEC customers to work faster and more efficiently. If your AEC customers want to capture a particular visual detail for later use, they can do so with Review's Snapshot tool. Snapshot allows your customers to grab document content and save it to a toolset for later use. Your contracting customers will appreciate that they'll be able to easily take document information and put it right into an RFI to ask questions about necessary information. While this isn't very popular with architects, your contracting customers will appreciate that they can use Snapshot to grab a pair of double doors from elsewhere on the document and replace the electrical room doors in just a couple of clicks. When your AEC customers are ready to sign off on a document, they can utilize stamps within Review. Review comes preloaded with a variety of stamp templates, and customers can even customize stamps with their names, company logos, and other content. Stamps within Review can also take advantage of dynamic text and populate date and time information automatically, as you can see here. As the AEC industry becomes more focused on modeling and BIM coordination, the need for 3D PDFs has grown rapidly. With Review, customers can easily create 3D models for calibration for multiple design programs. 3D PDFs can be opened in Review, and Review will recognize model data so that design elements can be turned on and off, particular elements can be isolated, and cross-sectional cuts can be made in order to see details in a particular area of the model. Using Review, customers can mark up 3D PDFs just as easily as they can 2D PDFs. Review will save the views for each markup and indicate markups with blue spheres, known as markup indicators. Additionally, customers can submit and answer RFIs by inserting 3D PDF content into 2D PDFs. With the ability to view, edit, and mark up 3D PDF documents, Review is an essential tool for AEC customers who regularly work with 3D models. Today's business professionals are moving towards global collaboration and mobile workflows, and there's an inherent need for real-time collaboration in the cloud. Bluebeam Review gives your AEC customers the ability to relay new project information instantly with Bluebeam Studio, the ultimate cloud-based solution for collaboration. Included in Bluebeam Review, Studio allows users to securely manage projects digitally from start to finish anywhere, at any time, from a desktop, tablet PC, or iPad, regardless of their internet connection. Bluebeam Studio facilitates communication between project team members in two ways. With Studio Sessions, your customers can work on the same documents simultaneously, answer each other's questions in real time, and see other team members' comments. Studio Sessions allow for complete accountability by ensuring that no user can edit or delete markups made by other users. At the end of each Studio session, the session administrator can generate a full report of who said what, on which documents, and when. And of course, each comment in the report is linked to its parent document. The second way that Studio facilitates communication between project team members is with Studio Projects. Studio Projects allows your customers to store an unlimited number of files of any size and file type on the cloud. These files can be accessed by any project team member invited to the project and then edited using a classic check-in, check-out system. These are just some of the great features that your AEC customers can utilize to improve their workflows and get more done faster.